welcome. Today I'll be talking about electricity, and I will show you how to strip electrical wires. There are two parts in this video. The first part is in case you are having the right tools. So this is my favorite one. This is a brand called Jokari. And the second part is in case you don't have such tools. You can do the job with the cutter. It will take more time and it's a bit more dangerous, and the evidence is that I cut myself my thumb when doing this little demonstration. I won't insist on it, but you will see there is one part where there is no sparadrap, and there's a second part where there is one. If you want to cut the whole cable, the best tool is this one. There are better ones for electricians, but this will do. And this is a little bit hard because there are 3 cables inside. So what is good to take first 1/2. I'll have one. Then I'm taking the others. Okay. There are some tools which I've been showing you in my video about the big toolbox. The first one is this tool. This here is a great tool. It works like this. There is a blade here inside, and it's very easy to use. You just put it here. It's, by the way, the right length also for working on plugs. You close it down, and then you can just turn it. And then you just take the strip around. So this is one, and then this is the second one. So it's much easier to do. Then there are, for stripping the wires, there are different tools. For instance, there is one here which is useful for taking just the rest, but let's see if it's working. So I'm going around, I'm pushing a little bit, turning. But it's not really super efficient. But this is an alternative. Then you have these ones, which were quite commonly used in the 80s, 90s. And you see here, there's the diameter indicated for cutting the wire. So here, for instance, this is a 2.5. It means I will need to use this hole. So let's go. So here I'm just pushing, and I can push hard, and then it will unstrip the cable. And my last tool, by far my favorite one, for several reasons. First reason is you can arrange the depth you want for the length of the unstripped part. And the second reason is that it's super convenient. You put the cable like this, you close, and in one go it's done. So as a conclusion, if you're working on electricity, I really recommend you to purchase these tools. Another advantage of the Jokari is that you can cut a wire very easily thanks to this blade. You just put it inside, and then you press. There is this tool, which is also a reference in the universe of stripping cables, with a big advantage of having a long sustainability. This is a very reliable tool. Another advantage is that this tool is adapted to all sizes of wires. So you can use it either for the 1.5 or the 2.5 or maybe even bigger. This I didn't test. You can fix the setting for this tool by using this little screw. So you can reduce it to the maximum, or you can maximize it to a bigger size. And you will test with your wires, and once you find the right size, you block it with this ring here, and now it won't move anymore. And then for the demo, you take the wire, you put the plier on it, you close, give a turn, and then you pull. So for me, the Jokari is much easier to work with than with the plier I just showed you. Now you've seen how to strip a wire with the right tools. And now I will show you how to strip a wire in case you don't have any tools, and you can do this with a simple cutter. So first of all, you need to know how to unstrip the cable. So in case you're not equipped, you can use a cutter. So you are making you have to be very careful not to go too far. So you have to free the plastic around here. So you have to start in making a short incision here in the plastic. And you have to be careful not to cut too far, otherwise there's a risk that you're damaging the cables, the wires inside. And once you've done this, you can remove the plastic around. Now this is done. And then it's easier because there's no risk that you're damaging what is the metal which is inside. So you take here first one. This is the green one. This is one. Then a second one. And then the last one. Okay, so these cables have been unstripped. That's it, my friends. Now you know everything about stripping a wire. And before leaving you, I will send you to my video providing an overview about the different videos I did about electricity. And until then, I hope that this video was useful to you and that you liked it. If it's the case, leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.